We are asked, which of the following correctly shows the sum using the standard algorithm? So pause this video, have a go at that before we do this together. All right. What I always like to do when I'm trying to analyze someone else's work is just try to do it myself. So if I have 647 plus 235, and when we say standard algorithm, that's just a fancy way of saying just the standard way that people normally add three-digit numbers like this. So for example, we can start here in the ones place, and we have 7 ones plus 5 ones is 12. Well, 12, we can write that as 2 ones and then regroup 10 of those ones right over here. And then we have, let's see, we're going to have 1, and actually we can already rule out this one right over here, B, because they didn't regroup those 10 ones as 110 right over here. So we don't see that here. But let's just keep going. So we have 110 plus 410. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8 tens. No need to do any regrouping. And then 6 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is 8 hundreds. So the answer is 882. So we know that that checks out there. And we also had to regroup once right over there, that 10. And we see that over here. So we like choice C.